Hey guys, it's Maurice. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video guys, I am just going to show you my afternoon quick or minute clean routine since the baby is having his nap. So I want to make sure that I did something productive while he's sleeping, because you guys may know or may not know that Boris went to US and it's just me and the baby, and it's hard for me to do a cleaning when the baby is awake, because if you guys didn't know, my son is a mama's boy, like big time, and it's very hard for me to do stuff because he wants me to be with him all the time by his side. And yeah, so I take this pleasure of cleaning. So the first thing I'm going to do is to fill up this can of Simon's milk. So I always do that. I actually bought this one since the baby was just born. And actually guys, excuse me if you can hear a little bit of noise in the background, because my baby is watching his favorite time show. And anyway, so after that, I'm just gonna put it back to the fridge, because we want this milk to be fresh all the time, and the baby can have a fresh milk. So yay, my lunch is set. So I reheat a box of pizza. Yummy. Then after that, I am going to the living room to fix some few things that I need to fix. So after the living room, I'm here now for my dishes. I just need to wash this dish because it was the dishes from last night. It was just like more cups, and then for morning dish. So I'll have to put that light on. I think it makes me more like happy and contented. So you can see here that I'm doing hand washing because we don't have a I don't know, I just forgot what you call it, but I know guys what I'm talking about. So yes, and it's a little bit hard to do hand washing, but you know what, also I grew up with hand washing, so I know that I clean my dishes good. So after washing the dishes, that's the wet towel that I wiped from the sink, and I'm just hanging it there and taking the new one, the dry one, and then after that I'm just going to sanitize my hand and also put some lotion because we all want our hands to be, soft and good. So here my pizza is ready already, and I'm so excited and hungry. So yummy, huh? So I'm just gonna let it sit there and cool a little bit, and it's already 1, so the baby's still sleeping. I have 30 minutes left, so I'm just gonna go to his room and tidying it up because it's a little bit untidy because of him taking some toys out there. So I'm talking here, I don't know what I'm talking about. So it's been a few days I've been working for this one. If you guys remember, this is our coffee table in the front of our couch. So wow, it's super white. So I decided to remove the tiles on top and change it into that plywood and then paint it into white. And it looks so amazing. Oh my god, I am so obsessed with it. And this in the top is already 3-coat. You can see it's more whiter than the bottom. The bottom has already gray color, so I want to put it white also to just match it. So also this one needs the legs needs 1 coat. The top is already good to go, and last night I saw somebody speaking on it, and there is like a dirt. So this is gonna be one of my problems sooner when like the baby's writing stuff like that. And I'm gonna update you guys about this one. I am so very happy and excited the way it come out. And I was also trying to decorate the house and kind of make it living. It's actually living, but every time I vlog I can see that there's a lot of missing pieces in the house, so I'm trying to organize it. The music is so loud, so I'm trying to organize it and stuff like that. So hopefully I will be finished doing that. Well, it's gonna be up May, yes, when Boris is gonna be here, because I really need my husband's help. He's like been helping me so much, so I really need his help when I'm doing that house decoration or stuff like that. It's gonna be a lot of cleaning, but it's gonna be also a lot of fun doing it. So I'll just update you guys, and I'm just gonna enjoy my lunch while the baby is sleeping. That's already, guys, my quick afternoon cleaning, organizing, or like tidying up stuff like that. So I hope you guys like watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and follow me to all my social medias that I am going to put in the description box, guys. And also sorry if it's been like a week or 2 weeks I didn't post anything, because you guys might know that Boris flew to US, so it's just me and the baby. So it's hard for me to like set up everything because the baby is always like following me, being like the baby and mama's boy, of course. So it's hard for me to film or to do like cleaning videos and stuff like that. So this time he's napping, so I had a time to vlog. So anyway, so I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!